Namaste students, welcome to this class. Students, we all are familiar with the word communication. Communication is very important for human beings to sustain in a society. All our activities depend on communication with one another. On the basis of the communication channels, types of communication are verbal and non-verbal. Verbal communication involves the use of language and words for the purpose of passing on the intended message. It means communication in the form of spoken words only. But in the context of types of communication, verbal communication can be in the spoken or written form. Thus, the verbal form may be oral or written. This particular lesson that we are going to deal with right now is basically about one of the formal ways of communication. This formal way could either be on one-to-one basis or it could be addressed to a large number of people. When we have to communicate formally to a large number of people, notice is the best way to communicate. In our schools, institutions, and offices, we come across notices which are put up in a place where it could be seen by the students, staff members, and other concerned persons. Let's start with the notice. In class 12th board exam, section B carries 30 marks. The first question of section B is an internal choice based question. It comprises of advertisements and notices, designing or drafting posters, writing formal and informal invitations, and their replies. This short composition is of 4 marks and has to be written in 50 words. Before we start, let's learn what is a notice. A notice is the most common method of communication which gives information regarding an important event that is about to take place. A notice conveys information in a very precise manner. With the help of the notice, information is displayed to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in a formal tone. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. They are factual and to the point. The language used is simple and formal, not flowery. Let us discuss how to write a notice in English. This is the format for notice writing. Always begin with the name of the institution or the issuing authority. Then comes the word notice in the center. Then in the next line on the left hand side, we write date in the expanded form. After writing date, in the next line, we write heading in the center. Then comes the body of the notice. Your content should have formal beginning. Like, this is to inform the students of class 11th and 12th. Always try to answer 5 WH questions. What, why, when, where, and who. Your notice must have a proper ending. Like, for further details, contact the undersigned. Then comes name and the designation of the writer. Students, you will not mention your name here in any case. You will write the name given in the question or XYZ if no name is given. Put your notice in a box. Now this is a breakup of marks as per CBSE guidelines. Format carries 1 mark. In your format, you must include name of the institution, the word notice, date, heading or title, name of the writer along with the designation. Content carries 2 marks. Expression carries 1 mark. In expression, you must take care of coherence, spellings, and grammatical accuracy. Here are a few tips for writing a good notice. Keep your notice short, crisp, and to the point. The purpose for which it is being written should be stated clearly. Focus on the presentation and clarity. Repetition of any information should be avoided. Use impersonal language, that means third person. Avoid the use of I and you. Highlight the word notice and heading. It can be either bold or underlined. Make sure you do not mention your personal information. Make use of all the available information in the question. Your answer shall include answers to all the 5 WH questions: what, why, when, where, and who. Always enclose the notice in a box. Make sure you draw the box with a pencil. If you keep all these writing tips in your mind, you are just going to write a good notice. This is all for today. Thank you.